Okay guys, today we are at a car event in Billing Aquadrome. It's a hot rod Ford event, Ford cars. It's packed, the sun is shining. We're just having a little picnic, boy. We're just having a little picnic. Saudi car. We just got a little picnic first, and then we're gonna have a little look around. And I'll be filming, and there looks like there is some gorgeous cars here, lovely V8 sounds all morning, lovely. So it's going to be a cool day. The weather's nice. Cheers. I've got a little sneaky JD in a little Coke bottle or water bottle. But anyway, it's going to be a great day. So we're going to do some filming, a lot of nice cars here. So we'll catch up with you later. Saudi Cup for now. Bye bye. Okay guys, imagine the history of this. Beautiful old 30s Ford. Lovely, lovely car. Imagine the history, the smell in there. And I quite like that car there, Jack Daniels. Where's the Coke? Wow, that's a nice truck. Yeah, that's a nice truck for it. I got a thing about pickup trucks being a builder. Being a bricklayer, sorry, I love pickup trucks. There's so much to see here, so many cool cars.
Oh, look at the engine.
Yeah, wow. Look at that. Wow. I never had a pickup truck with an engine like that. My Isuzu doesn't look like that, or sound like that.
Yeah.
Wow. All about engines and power here. Look at this. They're everywhere you look. Gorgeous cars. I'm going to be back with a very special car.
Only fit 2 people in there?
Yeah, best way. Okay, who remembers the Monsters and shows like that? Have a listen to that. Look at that old car. No idea what that is. I'm pretty good with cars. Sounds good. Looks cool. Fantastic.
All over the weekend. They either have them on display in their marquee, which is directly opposite us.
That is one slam car. Speed bumps, do not miss.
Photography UK. They've been going around taking photos. And we can arrange for someone to pick these front seats up from you. So, if you're going home to South Wales or to Manchester, that's a hell of a drive between those two, but South Wales or Manchester.
Okay, I have a soft spot for this car because I had one for 5.5 years. Wonderful car. Opel Manta GT, lush car. Lush car. Dodgy colour, but hey ho. Can't have a little. Look at this. Amazing. Hello, boy. Saudi car. Right, I'm gonna wheedle out some very special cars here. Okay, I'm gonna find some very special cars in this lot. Okay, speak soon. I guess you can never, if you're talking a muscle car, you can never go past the Charger, right? Daddy of all, not my favourite, but I do love them. Hey, that's a pretty wicked car right there. Like that car right there. Cool dude.
And that is on
okay guys, there's a real nice Charger here. Right here, look at that baby. Everything perfect, yeah?
A few things for you to see
everything
and do
perfect.
As the year
lush car.
continues to fly
lush
by.
car, look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah, love the Charger.
Few minutes away.
There we
might
go.
Give you
Iconic, very iconic fastback. Is it a 350 GT? Yes, it's a 350 GT. I know my cars. Look at that.
3:30 is when
how
we
could you
hope
not like that?
we're going to be able
Bullet.
to do the trophy presentation.
I love it.
Today.
Gorgeous,
3:30
gorgeous
today.
car. Very iconic. Okay guys, that's I spent a lot of my childhood in a car like this, breaking down, 6-volt lights, pushing it. Well, my mum, not me. You look at that lovely little Volkswagen. You go round, it's such a beautiful little car, cute, and you just go like that, Paramount, boom, and then boom, American car. That's the difference. Look at that. Wow, just wow. That's big. Mac. Okay guys, fins. I love fins. I love American cars. I love fins. Look at the fins on these things. Look at the size of them. Humongous, flamboyant. Look at this thing. That's just evil. I love it. Look at that. Amazing. Fins and length. Have a listen. Quickly listen. Listen to the sound. Oh, hear that? It just can't be a V8. It's nearly sex, but not quite. Look at this. The sun is shining. It's England. It's amazing. Okay, this is Camaro SS. I have a little bit of a soft spot for these cars. Huh? That's a little bit of, I love a bit of muscle. That is a lush car. Camaro SS. Oh, and very nice pickup. I'd like to go to work in that. Wouldn't want to put your trowel in the back of that thing, huh? God, I love that sound, right? Sound of a V8 burble. Listen to that. Film this. Okay, I had to film this. Very difficult. A lot of people like this car, but anyone that loves Mad Max 1, like I do, Z1900 Kawasaki Z1000, that's the car. That's the car. When Max starts that car up, oh, hear that charger in the background? There we go. Oh, it's hard not to turn, really. Look at that, a souped up Capri. I love the Capri. My daddy had one. Granada, love those. Listen to that thing. Just listen to that. See that thing ticking over? Just have a listen. That's just music, right? That's just better than any trumpet, any saxophone, any guitar. Oh, I just love the sound of a V8. Just love it, man. If only that man would go, he would pull away and I could hear it, but he's annoying and he won't.
I've got my old mouldy blanket.
Okay, as everyone knows, I'm half Thai. Saudi car, by the way, but you know, we got pickup trucks in Thailand and we have pickup trucks here. Well, not really here. There's some American trucks in England. But hey, look at these big Mac. Huge Mac. Look at that. That beats my Isuzu by about 20 foot. Huge. Just huge. Okay, all you Ford pop lovers, there are many Ford pops just everywhere. Lovely old car. Makes me feel old seeing them because I remember them all. Well, not quite all. Do I? Yeah, I do actually. Lovely old cars. Look at these. Ford pops. 50s, 60s. Lovely cars. Never thought it at the time, but I do now. Nice cars. Lovely. I've got to show this. I have to show this. It's so cool. Look at that. That cute, Sway Mac? That's cute, huh? That is so cool. Thank you. Everyone loves a V-dub.